Hello, my name is Ricardo Antonio Joel Escalante, and today I'm gonna show you how to use a theodolite. But first, it's necessary to know what is a theodolite. Well, this is a precision topographic instrument for measuring angles from different planes. And here we have the instrument or the gadget that we're going to learn to use. First, we have the lens. The lens is the thing where we're going to see to measure the angles, and we can push it up and push it down. And then we have the lens insurance, which is like a dial, and if we turn it up, the lens will remain still. And finally we have the buttons of the gadget, which are three. First, we have the button set 0 that we use when we want to set a place to start to measure the angles. Then we have the button for to change the direction, and finally we have the button to start the measure of the angles. And that's all that you need to know to use a theodolite. Thank you for watching.